In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text boldness of your Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now open your phone settings, then scroll down, then tap on display and brightness. Then it will land you here. Scroll down a little bit. Then under text and display size, you are going to see text size and weight. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So here, you are going to see text size and then text weight. Now here is where you can, under text weight, you can increase or reduce the boldness of your text. Now to increase the text boldness, you are just going to tap on your right. And to reduce the text boldness, you will now reduce it by tapping it on your left. As you can see, the boldness of the text is reducing. And now it is the lightest. And to increase it, see the boldness has increased. And that's simply it, guys. That's how to change the boldness of your text on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one.